We're filming a few videos back to back.
Yeah,
Hoping to post them all today.
We got everything at the same time.
Monday, April 12th.
And I was hoping to get Birchbox to make this versus Birchbox, but yeah, Birchbox. I'll let you guys know what that's all about when I
so
get
loud
it.
in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear them.
But I thought these were cactuses, but I don't know what this is. It's just a design. And I don't remember if I know what's coming in this little thing right here. But I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Is that like little lips? I don't know what that is, or just a design. Here's their card.
Force of nature. Whether you love your naked face, it says hashtag skincare is the new foundation, or feel naked without your red lipstick. Do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped.
So the first thing I have is Glow On. I think it says, is that Fifth Beauty? I hate wearing glasses. Smoothest Silk Hand and Body Scrub, which I like hand and body scrubs. I just know that like right now I have one at home and I'm barely even using it. So I might put that in a giveaway if I don't use my...
And it says that's a deluxe sample. The full size is $30.
And then next I have Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. We all know how I feel about liquid stuff. So this is definitely going in a giveaway. It's really pretty though, by Koki, I think it says.
And it says that is the full size and it's $6.
It's pretty. I like, it's like a shimmery gold, but I just don't wear those. They go up in my creases and stuff, and I barely wear eye makeup, as you guys know anyways. This is Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Lip Liner. And see, that's the only thing.
Gizlan or Gizlan?
Doesn't that look, what's this? Plum Mauve. I don't know. I was kind of iffy about whether
it says that's full size.
I should put that in a giveaway or not, because
$20.
I kind of like the color, but I kind of don't like the color, like for me, for my skin tone. I mean, so I don't know if it'll go in a giveaway. And the last two things I have, this one's Sunday Riley's A+ High-Dose Retinoid Serum. I feel like I've got two of these at home.
That's a deluxe sample.
So, so tiny to be deluxe.
And full size is $85.
But, so that might definitely go in a giveaway. I feel like this bag is just almost a giveaway. And Verifi, if I'm saying that right, 2020.
Or Verified.
Phytoglycogen Peptides Eye Cream. I like eye creams. I could have 1,000 of these and I'll still keep,
and that's a deluxe sample. It says the full size would be $60.38.
But that was it for my little Ipsy.
I'm gonna read
this is Force of Nature too. And then
for Maze.
Oh, Maze limited edition bag. It says, welcome to Khloe Kardashian's world, from her go-to products to her best kept beauty secrets. Upgraded Glam Bag X, shipped quarterly to get the pampering you deserve. Interesting.
Is that for like a bigger?
Probably.
Yeah.
But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we'll have listed down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.